Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on the Silverado 4.8 liter here. The code is for the throttle body. I looked up on these two codes also related to the throttle body. You can see the check engine light is there. So here I took out the engine cover and the air tube. So here's the throttle body. There's 4 bolts holding on to it. I already took it out. There's a connector. After that you can take it straight out like that. And then here's the new one. This one's I got original from AC Delco OEM. So this is the whole throttle body. And then I also bought the gasket for it. So this is also the part number. Got the one on top right here. So I already got my new gasket in. Make sure you get a towel, something clean, just to wipe the manifold off right here. You don't want any debris or dirt getting in there. When you're here, just check for the connector, check the pin, make sure there's no corrosion, it's not bent or anything. Check the back, check the wires, make sure it's not ripped. If it's good, then just go ahead and put everything back. There you go, and go ahead and put your air tube back. Now I'm gonna go back to the engine code to clear it. There you go, you can see the code again. I'm gonna clear it now. And then after you clear it, you're gonna have to idle relearn it, because every time you change out a throttle body, so after you clear it, you're gonna relearn the idle position. Engine off, key on, yes. Select. It's testing it right now, so it's relearning it. So there you go. Perfect. So that's it for this video, guys. So if you guys gonna use aftermarket parts, I'm not sure, because some of the aftermarket parts will not let you relearn the idle. So I'm not sure about the aftermarket part, but I usually buy OEM for Chevy. But that is it for this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. You have anything you want to ask me, comment down below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.